What's going on, guys? Britta here, and we're back with the Codecademy JavaScript program. And I just wanted to show you guys, I hadn't done this before, but this is the syllabus here. So as you can see, this is what we have left. So this is kind of a pretty good in-depth program that's completely free. So if you're having a hard time with the JavaScript part in the Odin Project, then make sure that you check this out for sure. But we're going to continue on with our dog years. We already did the Kelvin weather project, so now we're going to do this one. It's called dog years. Dogs mature at a faster rate than human beings. We often say a dog's age can be calculated in dog years to account for their growth compared to a human of the same age. In some ways, we could say time moves quickly for dogs. 8 years in a human's life equates to 45 years in a dog's life. How old would you be if you were a dog? Here's how you convert your age from human years to dog years. The first 2 years of a dog's life count as 10.5 dog years each. Each year following equates to 4 dog years. Before you start doing the math in your head, let a computer take care of it. With your knowledge of math operators and variables, use JavaScript to convert your human age into dog years. If you get stuck during this project or would like to see an experienced developer work through it, click Get Unstuck to see a project video walkthrough. Alright, so first we need to create a variable named myAge. So we're going to do let myAge equal 35. Alright, write a comment that explains this line of code. So variable for my age. Alright. Then we're going to, let's just say, use the const keyword. Okay, so it wants to use const, even though my age will change, but I guess for this it won't. You just put in your age and then it tells you. So I do understand why it's const. Alright. So check that off. Create a variable named early years and save the value 2 to it. So early years, const early years equals 2. Alright. Note the value saved to this variable will change. So this one should be a let. So let's double check that. Let early years equal 2. Cool. And this is variable. So what is that for? First 2 years. For first 2 years. Okay. So we can go ahead and check that off. Alright. Use the multiplication assignment operator to multiply the value saved to early years by 10.5 and reassign it to early years. So to multiply the value saved to early years by 10.5 and reassign it to early years. So what do I do here? Early years equals 10 times 10.2. That's not right. And reassign it to early years. I don't remember how to do that. Oh wait, I almost had it. And I did this wrong. Times equals 10.5. Okay. Since we already accounted for the first 2 years, take the myAge variable and subtract 2 from it. So myAge minus 2. Set the result equal to a variable called later years. Equals later years. I don't think that's right. We'll be changing this value later. I think it should be let later years. Let later years equal my age minus 2. And I think this needs something around it, but let's double check that. Let later years equal my age minus 2. Okay, I was wrong. It doesn't need anything around it. Write a comment that explains this line of code. So this takes age and subtracts 2. Alright. Multiply the later years variable by 4 to calculate the number of dog years accounted for by your later years. Use the multiplication assignment operator to multiply and assign in one step. So that leads me to believe that I need to do let later year, oh wait, no. Let dog years equal later years times 4. Write a comment that explains the line of code. Let's see if that's right. Later years, oh, I keep forgetting about that. So later years times equals. Okay. So this is multiplying later years by 4. Okay. If you'd like to check your work at this point, print early years and later years to the console. Console.log early years. Console.log later years. Save. So 21 and 132. Let's make sure that we did that right. Console.log to print to the console. And I guess I could have done that like this. Later years 2. And that would have just put it like that. But I kind of think this looks better like this. Personal preference, I guess. Check off. Alright. Add early years and later years together and store that in a variable named my age in dog years. And so I think it's going to be a const. I don't know if it's going to be const or not. Const or let. Let's just do my age in dog years equals early years plus later years. And let's see if it's let's use a string method next. Write your name as a string, call its built-in method to lowercase, and store the result in a variable called my name. So this should be const my name equals Brittany. And I don't know how to do this. I think it's to lowercase. I don't think that's right. Let's check it. Grace Hopper to lowercase. So it's to store it to a variable named my name. So how's that right? So I guess what we do is Brittany dot to lower case. Let's see what that looks like. This I think is completely wrong. And this is not working. So let's try let. Write a console.log statement that displays your name and age in dog years. Use string interpolation to display the value in the following sentence. So, replace name with my name, human age with my age, and dog age with my age and dogs. So something about this is not right for me here. It doesn't make sense to me. So let's just go ahead and try this. Console.log, right? And then we got my, I think we need that. My name is, I don't know how to do this. It says my name, but this is not telling me to do that. This is my name. And then you do the $, and then this, I think, right? I am human age should be my age, years old in human years, which is my age in dog years. Let's see what it does. There's lots of errors. Console.log. I used the wrong thing here. So this should go there. My name is my name. I am. Wait a second. If you'd like extra practice, try running this without the... Okay, so this doesn't even say my name is blank. I am blank years and dog years. So this is right, but this is not right. Let my name equal, my name is Brittany, I am 35 years old, and human years, which is 153, wait a second, my 50, which is, I forgot to do this, years old in dog years. Okay, so that is right. That's better. The part that I keep messing up is this little tilde key. I don't think it's not the tilde, but it's the one on the tilde key. I don't know what it's called. Can someone tell me what it's called? I keep using the wrong one of those, and this I hadn't assigned properly, but because this was confusing to me. But we got that right now. Great work. You can convert any human age to dog years. Try changing it. So let's say we were 50 years old. That's 213 years old in dog years. That's crazy. Alright guys, we have finished the dog years project. I'm going to go ahead and end this episode here, but I thank you guys for hanging out, and if this video helped you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Goodbye!